Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a page in your Canva document. I have this page and I want to create another version. I just want to change the text, but I still want to keep the original or the first version of the document or the template. So what I need to do is I have to duplicate this page. Now, in order to access the feature, you have to make sure that you are zooming out the document a little bit so you can see the upper row menus right here, because the duplicate menu is exactly right here. If you click on this button, it will immediately duplicate that page. Now I have two pages that are exactly the same, and for this one, let's say I want to change it to am I strong enough, sorry about that. And yeah, let's put it in the middle. Okay, so we have the text change, but of course there are other things that I want to do. I highly recommend to change the title of the page. So let's say this is version 1, and I'm going to rename the second page to be the version 2. This is just a clever way to make sure that your document is well organized. So I have two documents exactly the same except this text, and when you want to download the document, you can click here, download, and then you can select what pages that you want to download to your computer. So that's how you can duplicate a page in your Canva document.